How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of garlic breath. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So tip number 1 is start chewing gum. Chewing gum will instantly get rid of the garlic breath and replace it with a minty fresh breath. I have used this for years and it definitely does work. So garlic breath, if you wake up in the morning and your breath is just naturally bad, you still brush your teeth and it's just still bad, chew gum. Chewing gum has so many good properties. I cannot list all of them, you guys. There's so many good properties just for chewing gum. Not only will it help give you a stronger, sharp, and more chiseled jawline, you also get a lot of other properties such as good breath. And I know a lot of people struggle with their breath and they will constantly go to the doctor. They want the magic secret. Simply chew gum, you guys. It will help get rid of that bad breath. Tip number 2 is drink milk. The fat content of milk helps reduce the garlic breath. Milk also helps with acid reflux and heartburn as well, you guys. So drinking milk, that's a very good tip. I have used that before and it really does help. Tip number 3 is drink green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols that help reduce the concentration of hydrogen sulfide. That is what is inside garlic, you guys. So I've tried this myself and it does work. So drink green tea, you guys. Now, here's the thing. I would get decaffeinated green tea, or you can even get tea that has you can even get green tea that has caffeine in it, because the caffeine content usually isn't very high. It might be 5 to 20 milligrams, which is nothing. The caffeine content in a cup of coffee, medium coffee, is around 200 milligrams. So, I mean, the caffeine content really does make a difference. I drink decaffeinated green tea. That's just me, though. Tip number 4 is drink lemon juice. The acid in lemon juice neutralizes the garlic breath, you guys. So that's another great tip. What I like to do is I'll just put, get a water bottle, get some lemon, just chop it up, and then squeeze the lemon juice inside of the water, and it just gives your water a little bit of a taste. I don't mind doing that myself, you guys. So tip number 5 is eat apples. The pectin, which is the outside layer of the apple, helps to reduce the garlic breath, you guys. So that's another great tip. I highly recommend trying that. It will work. So again, to summarize all that, start chewing gum, drink milk, drink green tea, drink lemon juice, and eat apples. Try all of those tips, you guys. What you could do is try 2 at a time. So maybe start chewing gum and then drinking milk. See if that works. Do that for about a week. After that, don't do those. Try drinking the lemon juice and then eating the apples. Do that for a week. Then try the green tea by itself or with the lemon juice. Try it out. Don't try all 5 at the same time, because then you don't know which ones really work. Try a couple at a time and then just mix them up, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.